targets were hit in the new raids. The attacks came after hours after Syrian forces struck Israeli warplanes as they were conducting raids against army positions in central Syria. Israel has confirmed the downing of one of the F16 jets, but the Syrian side says more than one warplane was hit by the anti-aircraft fire. Damascus also said that a military site was hit in the previous Israeli strike. According to Israeli media, one of the pilots of the downed jet is in critical condition. The developments come after Tel Aviv alleged that an Iranian-made drone entered the occupied Golan Heights, which it says was intercepted. The Syrian Joint Operation Command has dismissed Israel's claim, saying the drone was hit inside Syria while on an anti-Daesh mission.
Be abundantly clear about this so that no one is under any illusion. Israel, having invaded Syrian airspace, is the criminal, and Syria is the victim. If a country sends its air force into another country's airspace uninvited, then that is a serious violation of that country's airspace, and that country has every right under international law to use all means necessary to repel that invasion. So Syria, having shot down that Israeli F16 fighter plane, had every right to do so under international law.